How can we place a signature in our Google Docs document? First, head to the place in your document where you want to put your signature. Then, when you head to the Insert tab, you may notice there's a new feature for e-signatures. Unfortunately, it's a premium one behind the paywall, but nothing is stopping us from just simply adding the image of your signature from your hard drive. So I hope you already scan your signature and you got image ready to go. In that case, we simply need to insert an image. Here it is. Now we can insert image from your drive, from your computer, even from the camera, so we can literally snap the picture with the built-in camera of your device. Alright, I got this on my computer, so I will upload the image right now. And here it is. It's an image, so I can customize the size of it. I prepared this in the PNG format, so with the transparent backdrop, we can decide how it will wrap with the text. So we can warp it behind the text, in front of the text. If you move it to in front of the text, then you got more freedom because you can move it around without worries that it will modify the text. And that's your signature that you scan and put into your drive, and then you just add it as your image. So that's the way of adding your signature. Keep in mind, there's a really handy feature now when you can remove the backdrop if you still got like the paper behind your signature. Simply click on the image and then search for image options here at the top, when you can modify some basics like size of it, wrapping with text, position. We can recolor this in case you scan like black signature and you want to make it blue or green. You can do it from here. You don't need to prepare the new one. There are some adjustments that can help you out if you got still a bit of backdrop. And that's all you need to place the image with your signature in your Google Docs document. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.